My name is Jeff Gaitis. I am the head brewer and owner of All Saints Brewing Company. My inspiration for the beers that we make comes from talking to our customers and guests in the tap room and seeing what they what they're looking for, what did they miss, what are they into. I would definitely recommend everybody check out Spread Shop. When I see people wearing the merch, it's amazing. It's fantastic. I love it. I love nothing more. In addition to all the online ordering that Spread Shop does, Spread Shop also handles the shipping, full customer service. You take care of it all. Like, anybody has any issues, problems, I can't imagine they would, they come to you. I don't have to deal with anything. I do not have to have a ginormous inventory on hand. I don't have to deal with the shipping. Spread Shop takes all the orders. Spread Shop handles the inventory, and they can look at our website and order from Spread Shop. Spread Shop knows what is in, what people are, what they're looking for.